The kettlebell windmill. Now this is great for your quadratus lumborum, which basically starts at your front and wraps around your back. You're going to start with your feet parallel, soft knees. Take one leg back, which is your right, because my kettlebell is in my right hand. Now if you don't have a kettlebell, don't fret. Always grab a dumbbell. For reference, I'm using 8. Start with the dumbbell or the kettlebell right next to you. Now make sure your feet are a little wider so you have a wider base of support. So it's like you're standing on train tracks. I'm going to tip over, stick my hips sideways. Now I don't want to hinge it back because that's not going to be the exercise goal because we won't target the quadratus lumborum. So I'm going to tip over, stick my hip out, look at my kettlebell. I'm going to stand back up, bend my palm to me. Once again, stick your hip out, tip over like a teapot, go down as low as you comfortably can get back up. Come back up. One more time. Tip, look, reach, come back up. The kettlebell windmill.